Never again shall it be that this beautiful land will again experience oppression of one by another. Never again shall it be that this land will experience the oppression of one by another. Never again, never again shall it be that this beautiful land will again experience oppression of one by another. Never shall it be that this beautiful land will experience the oppression of one by another.
Never run out of ways to thank you. Forever grateful to you. Forever thankful for you. Izandla zidlule ekhanda. Enkosi kamaku. Enkosi kamaku.
Born free, the biggest deal for you and me. Can't leave, the culture twines with synergies. For every note, for every spoke on our wheels. Sandazilla, every time we saw its eyes bleed. Dada, this is a reminder of you. Of every little vision, Lapim Sotra always came through. 91 and 94, we just broke down the door. Now we screaming to the heavens, black power galore.
Holy Tata Mandela, father of our nation. Mandela way, Mandela way. Holy Tata Mandela, father of our nation. Mandela way, Mandela way.
I know you heard the speech about 1,000,000 times. You heard the name, I mean, like so many times. I'm even talking about now. Same time, I'm just thinking about how do we always celebrate life only when somebody's out? I mean, first MK commander-in-chief, the first black man on the president's seat. First fight back, then kill him with peace. Forget the bloodbath, we just wanna speak. I mean, I guess that's the Mandela for me.
Hlanganisa wezinhlangu umhlaba wonke uyahlobonga. Ngobuhlakani bakho silapha njena. Siyabonga Tata, siyabonga khona sizwe lethu. Siyabonga ayohamba amaqhawe kosala sibonga.
Tata Mandela, father of our nation. Mandela way, Mandela way. Holy Tata Mandela, father of our nation. Mandela way, Mandela way. Tata Mandela, father of our nation. Mandela way, Mandela way. Holy Tata Mandela, father of our nation. Mandela way, Mandela way. Khawela bantsundu, khawela bezizwe, siyazidlanga wethina Mandela. Aya, khawela bantsundu, khawela bezizwe, siyazidlanga wethina Mandela.
Hathi sibuyisele emuva ngekhathi zeduka singanali thuba kadlula wenza izinto zenzeka bheka manje siyahuba asikaze sadibana amadibi zenze zanqhuba inhliziyo bhakuze zizwe gisha iqhawe likambandele lakithi lohlala liphila sikamhlibala umadiba namuhla sibala amadiba asibizi substitute masithi viva madiba.
Tata Mandela, father of our nation. Mandela way, Mandela way. Holy Tata Mandela, father of our nation. Mandela way, Mandela way.
And never again shall it be that this beautiful land will again experience the oppression of one by another.